now, bring it up slow. Watch the cables. And there it is, the windshield is finally out. Now we can really see the extent of the damage. Getting the saturated carpet out is the first step. Look at the rust underneath, it's pretty. And that is the center console finally out. Quite a bit of rust underneath, but we can start the assessment now that it's on the bench. And that is the last piece of the interior. Finally, the Huracan is fully stripped down and ready for the next stage. All right, with the final bolt out, we can now carefully pry the fender away and see the damage underneath. All right, the rear quarter panel is next. We're using the impact wrench to get these rusted bolts off, then we can finally see the extent of the damage underneath. All right, these lower control arm bolts are completely seized. Let's see if the impact wrench can break them free. Ah, finally. That one was really seized on there. All right, let's get this heavy thing out of the way. With the hydraulic cradle in place, we can finally take the weight off this corroded gearbox and start the extraction. We need to secure the engine and gearbox assembly tightly right at this junction before we can lift it out. We're labeling the wiring harnesses and the gearbox housing itself to ensure we know exactly where everything goes during reassembly. After months of planning, we finally have the Huracan V10 on the stand. It's rough, but this is where the real work begins. And there it is, the V10 intake is free. A lot of gunk, but we're making progress. With the bolts finally loose, we can carefully pry off the covers and see what condition the internals are in. We're looking closely at the valve train now. The orange crusting and the thick black sludge confirm the extensive water damage. And there we have it, the moment of truth for the V10's timing system. Looks like we might be in luck here. And with that, the cylinder head comes off. Look at the state of those pistons. It's going to take a lot of work. Okay, the last bolts are out. Let's see what we're dealing with. And yep, there's the milkshake. Definitely looking at some serious water contamination here. Starting the gearbox teardown, I'm using the torque wrench to break the seal on these main casing bolts, then we can organize them. With the plug removed, the old gear oil starts to drain. The metallic particles here confirm the extent of the internal wear. Okay, there we go. That crack means the seal is broken. Let's get this cover off and see what we're dealing with. We're looking deep into the Huracan's transmission now. The corrosion here is extensive, but these input shafts look salvageable.